Hello everyone, it's QQ Vincent. Welcome back to my channel. And today we're going to be doing an unboxing video of Pink Fantasy's Polaroid packs. I bought 10 Polaroids, so that is, or 10 packs, which is 20 Polaroids. So without further ado, let's just get right into opening these. Oh, wait. These are the new packs that requires scissors because it's not pre-cut. And I believe these are from the batches of dance covers and maybe stage performances. So I'm hoping for Tales of the Unusual outfits or Love So True outfits, maybe Merry Fantasy, but we'll see. So first one is Arang. Oh. Next one we have Miku. Okay, cute. Next pack. These are just like casual fits, sort of, though. Next one is, oh my god, Hisan! Cute! Okay. Next one is, Arang. Okay, I think we'll just put it here for now. Okay, next one is Arang. Then, oh my god, Harden! No, Pikachu! Alright, Nut, how you feel? Oh, sorry, my dog's barking. Next one. Where is my dog barking at? Sia! Okay, I'm hoping for all members of this pink outfit, please. And then Momoka. Oh, so cute! Next one. Got Sia. And oh my god, Hudden! Cute. That's I think Merry Fantasy stage. Next one. Hisan, all of you. Oh my god, Arang! Cute. I'm getting a lot of Arangs. Okay. Next one. Momoka. And oh my gosh, Daewon! The Halloween outfit. I'm just missing Ye-chan. Where's Ye-chan? Harden. Sia. Oh my gosh. Ye-chan. Where's Ye-chan? 2 packs left. Come on. Ye-chan! Oh! Look how cute she looks! Oh, I'm so happy! Alright. Hudden! Cute. Okay, last pack. Okay. pack. Da, 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 da. Okay, last one. What do we got? He-san. Oh, cute. And then last one. Oh my gosh! Miku! Oh my goodness! She's so cute! Oh my god, her duality is insane! Oh my goodness, okay. Well, that is all my pulls. Pretty happy with them. I only had one Ye-chan, unfortunately. Okay, so let's lay these out. Got a lot of Arangs. Miku. I think I put He-san down here because there's a lot of... Oh no, only 3 He-san. 4. 1 Ye-chan. 2, 3 Sias. 3 Mokas. And that. Hopefully I can. Like that. Okay, well, that is all the Polaroids I pulled. I especially loved, oh my god, I like Miku. I like these pink background ones. Ye-chan. This Pikachu Hanin, so cute. You know, they're all cute. Oh my goodness, love the pulls. We'll be buying more. So hope to see you guys in my next video. Have a good one. Peace.